Hello, good afternoon. I'm going to show you a quick way of sharing a video explanation. So I have my iPad here and my laptop to show you how things work. So let's get right down to it. So open explain. And the way it opens up the most recent class. So I'm in 6036, the lounge area. I'm in the common table within the lounge area. Now it seems there's already writings on the first board, so I'm gonna go to the second board. And to save time, I've already uploaded a background image to this blackboard. But let me try to create, let's say I have to create a video QA for my students on this past question. So I'm gonna record how I solve this problem. So when I press, to do this, I'll press record, and here.
These are the two data points, where this is the x, and these are the y's. I'm going to use orange to separate them out better. And so it's asking, how do we minimize the loss? What value of theta will minimize the loss? And well, here we simply just solve it mathematically. We look at this and just plug in the values. So it's theta minus 1 squared, and in the second summation, theta plus 1 squared, which gives theta squared plus 2. And this, when plotted on a graph, where this loss of theta, and this is theta, is this is at 2. And so this is clearly minimized when theta is at 0. So theta is 0, so minimizes. So
Okay, suppose I'm happy with this video. I press finish, and I'll call it, and I'll save it in the library. Now, notice it saves it within, I think that was 2 seconds. And so now on my laptop over the internet, I could, so I'll go to the 6036, and there is the video. It just is here. I'm gonna play it. Let's record, and here, I'm gonna speed it up a little. These are the two data points, where this is the x, and these are the y's. I'm gonna use orange to separate them out better. And so it's asking, how do you minimize the loss? What value will minimize the loss? And well, so there seems to be a bit of a rendering bug. Just so mathematically, we look at this and just plug in the values. So it's theta minus 1 squared, in the second summation, theta plus 1 squared, which gives theta squared plus 2. And this, when plotted on a graph, where this is loss of theta, and this is theta. So is, the key to notice here is you can seek to any part of the video without having, the buffering time is minimal, because it takes much less data to encode a Blackboard video than a general video. And so the upload speed is very fast, like 2 seconds for that 1 minute video. And the buffering speed is fast. And the key is just that the video is lightweight. It's optimized to just encode Blackboard videos. Now, going back now that I'm on the laptop and on the iPad, there's two people technically on the same table, and the way that makes sense is, imagine you're on a table sitting with someone else, and there's blackboards in front of you. Now these blackboards are actually live. So if I go to board number 3 and I come to board number 3 here, it is actually live. So if I'm explaining the same question and drawing the same graph, it appears here on the iPad. So I can do that video recording while I was explaining something to someone live. So let me show you how you can connect through the voice chat as well. So that's how you connect to the voice chat. It's going to ask for your permissions again, and you can open the camera, and now here it is. So it's a terrible echo. But you can turn on the cameras on both, and they'll just appear on the side. And so you can explain things, two birds with one stone. Last thing is, you also have access to the forum. And now this forum is just very much like Piazza. It's inspired by Piazza. And you can ask new questions. Now, the thing with this is, it's like Piazza, except there's this blackboard. You can do it with videos. You can draw, the same graph yet again, and submit it. Now I should have added the title, but here in the forum, you'll see a question and a drawing of this. So it's a visual-based kind of forum. And so that's like the quick overview of Explain. It is currently I have to say right now that there will be bugs. This is not well tested, except for the real-time blackboards. The real-time blackboards is pretty stable because it's used by a lot of GIR classes, or mainly 802. So it's been well tested for about months, but the library and the forum haven't been used. And so I'm very much hoping that if you teach 6036, that you'll be willing to give the library a go and see if it can maybe save you time and also maybe even try the visual forum back. I just need like one person or two people to get that close feedback where I can start fixing the bugs and changing and modifying the code to make it better according to your feedback. So I hope you can give it a go. But in any case, have a great afternoon.